I've been using AI to create slide decks at a lightning speed for quite a while now, and in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the workflows that I personally use. So if you want to create slide decks which are aesthetically pleasing and ready to use on any topic, then follow along. The very first thing that you want to do is head over to the Gamma.app and over there, sign up. They will give you 300 credits, which is good for creating about 3 to 5 different slide decks. And then once you're here, you can click on Create New, which is going to use AI to generate your PowerPoint presentation. So you've got 3 options over here. If you already have an outline for a topic, you can go with option number 1, which is what we are going to cover today. Second option is you can go with Generate, in which case you simply give a one-line command and AI takes care of the rest. So if you have no idea of what you want to speak about in the presentation, you can go with the second one. Third is if you already have a document and details on the topic available, then you can go with the third option. In this one, we'll cover the first, which is we already have an outline, we have an idea of what we want to have in our slide deck, and we want AI to take care of the rest. So to get the content, what I generally do is I head over to Copilot, and in here, I'm going to give it a guideline in terms of what exactly it is that I want in my slide deck. So let's start with that. I'm going to pause the video here, give it a command over the microphone, and I will show you the prompt after that. All right, so this is our prompt. It's a very basic one. I did not go into too much details, but I gave it a rough idea of the direction I want the PowerPoint presentation to take. And this is our detailed outline that is generated by AI. What we're going to do is simply copy this up till this point and paste that over here. So we've provided Gamma with the outline we want the presentation to have. This can be converted into a website or a document as well, but in this case, we're going to go with presentation. So let's click on continue. After that, it should ask us a few information about the text we want to contain. So if we want AI to generate the content, we could go with this option. But in this case, I already have the text that I want included. So I'll just go with condense. And I want brief text in each of the cards, where card basically means a slide. And for the images, I wanted to create AI images instead of doing the web search. You can go with either. And then you have the format, whether you wanted presentation, website, or in the form of documents. Let's go with presentation. The total number of cards, I'm going to go with 4, and let's hit continue. Over here, you're going to get option in terms of themes. There's a lot of nice ones out there. I personally like the marine one. Let's see. Yeah. And then click on generate. This should take about 10 to 15 seconds. You can see the process happening as well. It's quite fast. And you can see the different templates that they basically have for basically presenting each of the different points. So let's have a look at the top. Opinions on AI replacing developers. Added nice image on the side as well. Added a subtitle. Opinions in favor of AI, exactly as I asked over here. And opinions against AI replacing the developers. And then at the end, a balanced overview, which is exactly what I asked you to do. And it generated that in seconds. So this one was a short one because I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of what it looks like. And if you want, you can, of course, create more detailed ones as well. All you need to do is provide it a longer format of the outline. In my case, I asked Copilot to generate outline for only 4 slides. So that is it for this video. And you can also customize this PowerPoint presentation that we have over here. You can also export that. I will be showing that in the next video. Thank you.